goodness. Okay, I'm ordering Sonic. What you doing? I was just standing here. Okay, so I just wanted to know what you're doing. I just probably wanted to say that you always know that you're going fast, right? Yeah, that's right. You're kind of that fast. I don't know. You're telling me that I'm slow. Yes. How dare you? I can't. You don't know that you're slow. Yeah. I'm not trying to be rude, but you are that slow. Wait, what? No, wait, this can't be happening. No, you're too slow. Yeah. I guess you're too slow. Uh-oh, he's gonna blow. Wait, what? Whoa, your anger issues are flowing up. Yeah, that's right. You gotta stop this now. Oh my goodness, he's like a hurricane right now. What did you say? Nothing. That's what I thought. Now, if you excuse me, I've gotta go calm myself down since you just did that. Sorry. You don't have to be mad. Yeah, that's right.